To adjust any settings within your project, proceed to the Project Settings tab, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you will find options to change the units, the tolerance along with dimension snaps and other types of snaps to help in the modeling process. Feel free to change the units at any point during your project. As you modify the unit in the settings, the units within the model will update in real time. Depending on the precision your model requires, you can adjust your tolerance values. By default, both dimension snaps and angle snaps are activated. Dimension snaps aid in modeling to an accurate dimension of 100 mm as shown here. If you desire more flexibility in your work, you have the option to deactivate the dimension snap. You can also adjust the snap value as necessary. The angle snap operates in a similar manner. You can alter the angles and then continue with the modeling. Depending on the level of ease you're seeking, you can deactivate the snap for a more flexible tool usage. Next, we have parallel snap, orthogonal snap, and normal snap. These snaps are beneficial when you're modeling in your project. Parallel snaps enable you to draw in parallel to a specific edge or vertex. Normal snaps, represented by the green snap, show you the midpoint of the nearest object or line. The orthogonal snap aids in creating more orthogonal structures. You also have the option to activate or deactivate the nearest point snap as needed, as well as enable or disable the grids in your project using the Grid tab here. Remember, these project settings can be adjusted and modified at any point while you're working on your project.